Hey there, curious minds. Welcome to a place where your thirst for knowledge is not just acknowledged but celebrated. Welcome to my channel, where we dive deep into the complexities of the world around us. Here we don't just skim the surface, we plunge into the depths of understanding. If you're tired of the same old superficial explanations and you crave deeper insights, you're in the right place. We go beyond the obvious to uncover the hidden layers of knowledge. My goal here is simple: to spark your curiosity and challenge your thinking. I want to ignite that light bulb moment where everything just clicks. We'll explore a wide range of topics, from philosophy, where we ponder the big questions of existence and ethics, to sociology, where we examine the intricate web of human relationships and societies, history to understand the events that shaped our world, and geography to appreciate the diverse landscapes and cultures. Each lecture is meticulously researched and documented, free from suppositions and unverified information. You can trust that what you learn here is grounded in fact and thorough investigation. Are you ready to journey through the intricacies of philosophical thought? Imagine delving into the minds of great thinkers and unraveling their profound ideas, or perhaps unravel the mysteries of historical events. We'll piece together the past to understand how it influences our present and future. No matter your interest, I break down complex ideas into digestible pieces, making them accessible to learners of all levels. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, there's always something new to discover. Whether you're a seasoned academic or simply curious about the world, there's something here for you. Our content is designed to cater to a wide audience, ensuring that everyone can find value. My lectures are designed to stimulate your mind and broaden your horizons. We aim to expand your perspective and encourage you to think critically about the world. You'll find thought-provoking and informative content that provides a solid foundation of knowledge. Our goal is to equip you with the tools you need to understand and navigate the complexities of life. And this isn't just about learning, it's about applying that knowledge to your daily life. Imagine being able to use what you learn here to solve real-world problems and make informed decisions. Imagine understanding the world in a way you never have before. The joy of discovery and the thrill of new insights await you. Thank you for choosing to explore my channel. Your curiosity and desire to learn are what drive this community. I hope you'll find my lectures both informative and engaging. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know, the more empowered you become. By joining me on this journey, you're investing in your own personal growth and development. Every piece of knowledge you gain is a step towards a better you. So what are you waiting for? The adventure of learning is just a click away. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and let's embark on this intellectual adventure together. Stay updated with our latest content and never miss a moment of discovery. Like, share, and subscribe if you find our content enriching. Spread the word and help others join this journey of knowledge. Stay curious and let's unlock the secrets of the world. Together we can explore, learn, and grow.